Good morning, class. Welcome back to your English class. I hope you all are doing good and safe at your home. So, today is our discussion class. I hope you all are ready for this. So, before we start, please make sure you have all the essential items with you. That is your notebook, your UKG language, English language book, and pencil and eraser. So, let's start our today's class. So, children, this is our discussion class. We will discuss about set 5 to set 8. 8. So, and your homework answers and bonus questions answers. Okay? So, children, in set 5, we revise chapter 9 and 8. In chapter 9, we learn about use of near and far, and chapter 10, we learn about use of to and from. As we learn about, near indicate next to us and far indicate far away from us. Okay? And we also revise to indicate destination point and from indicates starting point. I hope this helps you to revise your chapter 9 and 8. Okay, so now quickly discuss about your homework answers. Okay, so children, I gave you fill in the blanks where you have to fill near and far. Okay, so let's read the sentences and fill the blanks. Okay, the boy is near to the house. The football is far from the house. The boy is near to the tree. The dog is far from the tree. So children, I give you some pictures and the answer is related to that pictures. Okay. So the bonus question of set 5 is, what does far indicate? Far क्या indicate करता है? As we discussed just now, far indicate away from us. Okay? I hope you all answer correctly. Okay. Now move ahead. Set 6. So children, in set 6, we revise chapter 11, 12 and 13. In chapter 11, we learn about opposites. Children's opposites are pair of words that are different from each other. जो एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल विपरीत या उल्टे होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? opposites बोलते हैं. Okay? And we also revise use of has and have. Children, has and have shows possession. Possession for something belonging to a person. It means जब कोई चीज़ हमारे पास होती है, जब कोई चीज़ हमारी होती है, so we use has and have. Okay? So, we use has with he, she, it and with singular name and also with human name. Okay? And we use have with I, we, you, they and with plural name, plural words. Okay, I hope this will help you to recall the chapter. Okay, now discuss the homework. Okay, so here I give you some words and you need to write the opposites of that words. So, what is the opposites of boy? Girl. Good, bad. Down, up. Fat, thin. Full, empty. Fast, slow. Long, short. I hope you all done with your homework. Okay, now move ahead our next homework. So I gave you some fill in the blanks. You have to fill has and have. So let's see. Tina has a basket. Tina is a human name, so we use has with Tina. Rohit has a balls. They have car. You have a pen. As we just discussed, we use have with I, we, you, they and plural words. Okay. Next, Sonu and Monu have books. So, Sonu and Monu are two persons. So, we use have with Sonu and Monu. I have a dog. We have a frog. Kiran has a bag. Kiran is a human name. So, we use has with Kiran. Okay. I hope you all are understood very well. Okay. Now, bonus question of set 6 is, what is the opposite of empty? Okay. So the answer is full. Empty means khali and full means bhara hua. I must say you all answered correctly. Most of the students answered correctly. Okay. So next, now we will discuss set 7. So children, in set 7, we revise chapter 14 and 15. Here we learn about use of I, my and you, your. And in chapter 15, we learn about use of he, his, she, her. So, children, I, my, you, your, he, his and she, her is a pronoun, and my is a possession of I, your is a possession of you, his is a possession of he, her is a possession of she. Okay. Okay. So now let's discuss our homework. Okay. Use of I, my and you, your. So we can see here is a boy having a ball, having a football. So let's read the sentence and fill the sentence. I am a Natik. This is my football. My is a position of I. नैतिक क्या बोल रहा है? मेरा नाम नैतिक है. I am a नैतिक. मैं नैतिक हूँ. This is my football. ये मेरी फुटबॉल है. Okay, next we can see a picture. There is a two girl. Okay, a girl is talking to other girl. You are Rasi. तुम राशि हो. These are your balloons. ये तुम्हारे balloons हैं. Okay. Next, use he, his and she, her. So let's see the picture carefully. We can see here is a girl having a candy. So she is a girl. She has her candy. वो एक लड़की है, उसके पास उसकी कैंडी है. He is Raj. This is her car. Okay. I hope you all are understood. Okay. So the bonus question of the set 7 is select the correct pair of pronoun in the given options. Children, I gave you 4 options. There is a pair of pronouns and their position. So you have to select one pair of pronoun that is correct pair. Okay. So he and his is your answer. Okay, next. Now we will discuss set 8. In set 8, we revise chapter 16 and 17. Here we learn about use of we, our and they, their. Children, we, our and they, their also pronoun. And our is showing possession for we and there is showing possession for they. Okay. And in chapter 17 we learn describe the picture. So here we can learn can, use of can and cannot. Okay. So let's discuss the homework. I hope you all are doing your homework regularly. Okay. So now let's discuss homework answers. Okay. Look at the picture carefully. I gave you a picture and you have to fill the answers. So, they are my cousins. A boy is saying they are my cousins. This is their house. ये उनका घर है. Okay, next. We are students. This is our school. As you all are students and Truth Mission is your school. Okay. Next, fill can or cannot. So, children, as we told you, can is showing possibility. It means when someone is able to do something, then we use can. And when something is not possible, that we are not able to do something, then we use cannot. Okay. So the answer is I am a parrot. I can talk. Parrot can talk. Okay. But I cannot swim. As parrot having the ability to talk, but he cannot swim. Okay. Next. I am an owl. I can sing. I cannot sing. Sorry. I cannot sing. But I can see in the dark. As we all know, owl has ability to see in dark. Okay, next. The bonus question of set 8 is when do we use can? I hope you all answer correctly. As we just discussed can showing possibility when something is able to do. The answer is something is possible. We use can when something is possible for us. Okay. So these all are your homework answers and your bonus question answers. I hope you all are understood very well and you all watch the video carefully. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in your comment section. I will give you answers and you can also give me feedback. I will also answer your feedback. Okay. So thank you.